In this video, I show you how to get into and unlock your iPhone if you've gone and forgotten its passcode. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like, and let's jump straight into this guide. Here we are on my locked iPhone. I want to go and explain to you how you can go and recover your phone and basically unlock it and get access again if you've gone and forgotten your password. So in this case, I'm going to be starting from not entering my password at all. So now I'm going to go and enter my password now. So I'm now going to go and enter my passcode, and of course I've forgotten it, so I'm going to get it wrong quite a lot of times. And after you've gone and entered your passcode incorrectly quite a few times, what's going to happen is your iPhone's going to be locked and it's going to go and say iPhone unavailable, and firstly it's going to go and say try again in 1 minute. So your iPhone is going to be unusable for 1 minute. Then your iPhone will be available and you can go and try and unlock again. So I'm going to go and try and enter my passcode again. Then it's going to go and say iPhone unavailable and try again in 5 minutes. So you will need to wait 5 minutes, but do stick with me as I'm showing you a really good way of recovering your phone. Then once again, I'm going to go and try and enter a passcode again. Even if you don't even know it, just type in a random one. Then it's going to go and say iPhone unavailable, try again in 15 minutes. So I know it's getting quite long to wait, but do just keep trying as it is what it takes basically. And now for the last time, you need to go and enter in another passcode, as I said before, even if you don't know it. And now it says iPhone unavailable, try again in 1 hour. But in the bottom right, we've got this option we didn't have before for erase iPhone. So if you've gone and forgotten your iPhone passcode, then the only way you can go and get access to your phone again is by going and erasing your entire iPhone. This means losing all of the content on it. But of course, if you've gone and backed up your phone to your computer or to iCloud, then it is all recoverable and you can go and restore it to that. But if you haven't, then you are going to lose everything. But of course, you've either got one option is your iPhone is completely unusable because it's locked, or you go and reset it and you restore it if you've got any backups. And then once you tap on erase iPhone, it's going to go and say erase all content and settings. It says this iPhone is in security lockout. You can try your passcode again in 1 hour, or you can go and erase and reset this iPhone now. So of course, if you've forgotten your passcode, it's not going to really help waiting another hour. So then you need to go and click on erase iPhone again. And then the only thing required to go and erase your iPhone is by entering your Apple ID password for your account. So you will need to go and enter that. Of course, if you have forgotten your Apple ID password, then you can go and reset this on a computer, on another device, and then you can go and log in. And yeah, that's it guys. Then go and enter your password and your iPhone is going to go and restart and it's going to reset everything. It's quite a quick process, and then you're going to have a brand new fresh iPhone, which you can either go and restore to a backup, say on your computer, or you can just go and download everything from iCloud again. If not, you're going to have a brand new phone, have to go and enter all your contacts again, but unfortunately it's the only choice there is. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider subscribing. Peace.